Hello friends, welcome back to Thamara's garden. Today let's see some of the plants that can go without getting watered for weeks. So what are the plants that are ideal for lazy gardeners or else those who doesn't have time for gardening? Because watering is the most important thing when it comes to gardening, and without water there are some plants which can survive even without maintenance and also support. So let's see what are the plants that can stand really very beautiful and healthy, and also that can run without water at times. So let's start up with this beautiful rubber plant. Rubber plants are really very beautiful, low maintenance and permanent plants, and you can grow them from leaf cutting and also with stem cutting, and this plant can go up to a week without water. Do you know that? So the soil should be dry for you to water again. Now in my case, now the soil is very dry. I can pour water now. I have it in my garden outdoors. This is a wonderful plant for your indoor garden as well, or else if you have a place in your home to decor with, so you can add this one plant in your home. So this is the best outdoor plant and also an indoor plant. So the rubber plant doesn't need to be watered on regular basis. Plant that can go without getting watered for weeks is this beautiful aloe vera. Aloe vera plant also doesn't need to be watered every day, and they also can survive. So this is a medicinal plant, and also this is a great rooting hormone for the plants. So one must have this in your garden. It's a must because they are low maintenance and permanent, and also can go without getting watered for weeks. I have done many videos about growing this beautiful plant, so you may check my channel for them, and also I will put you the links in the description. So friends, while I was in the garden, I saw this beautiful scene. Look at these beautiful bulbul birds. It's nice seeing them. Next plants that can go without water for weeks are the snake plants. If you pour water in these plants daily basis, you overwater these plants, you will see many problems with them because the snake plants doesn't like getting watered every day. So these are beautiful plants for small planters, and also these plants also you can grow with a cutting, or else you can divide and multiply them easily. These are air purifier plants too. So next on the list of plants that I show today, this snake plant, also a plant that doesn't like getting watered on regular basis. This is Sansevieria, another variety of snake plant. If I am to show you the soil, look at this. It's so super dry. I didn't water them for weeks, but the plant is very healthy. You can see the plant is growing very healthily. So don't go to water this plant on regular basis. This is another plant which can survive about a week or 2 weeks without getting watered. Next plant that doesn't need daily watering is the ZZ plant. ZZ plant grows from bulbs, and as you can see, I have not watered this plant for a couple of days now. Look at this soil, so dry. So this plant also you can avoid daily watering. If you daily water, you will see yellowing of leaves. So to keep this plant healthy, you will have to skip regular watering, and when the time is up, you can water them once a week.